Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh and you are watching Rinku Art. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for supporting me and liking my videos. I have received many requests from you all to make videos on various topics. So thanks for those topics, and I will try to cover all of those. If you want to send me any suggestion or topic to cover, then you can send me either in YouTube description box below or to my Instagram. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. And let's come into our today's topic.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
In this video, I am going to draw from real person's photos. The photos will be just a reference for my drawing. It's not a portrait drawing, or I am not going to copy it exactly. This is the part 1 video where I'll show you 3 male cartoon drawings. And in part 2, I'll illustrate a female cartoon drawing. So without much ado, let's get started. So here are 6 images, out of which I'll draw 2. I'll take this character first. Here I am roughly constructing the face on the image to get an idea. And now I am doing it actually. Roughly placing all the parts and slowly improving the face. Now putting the details. This face is quite similar to the picture and it's not looking cartoony. Now let me try to make it cartoony. I am trying to visualize and draw a couple of times to find the right face. So here I took a very simple face shape and it's looking quite nice. I'll place cartoony eyes, nose and mouth and see if it looks cartoony. Small details are required to finalize. I am happy with the face, so going forward to the hairs. Shading also plays an important part in drawing. It shows depth in drawing. So now I am quite satisfied with the outcome. I'll clean it up with black lines. So this is the rough and this one I did earlier. First design is done. Let's do the second one. Here also I'll quickly do the construction first. Now adding rough detailings and see whether it looks good or not. Let's try once again. So here is the final drawing. Now the third one. So here I have completed 3 faces from real pictures and I hope you liked it. But these are not absolutely cartoony. These are just mixture of cartoon and realistic. In my next video I'll continue with this style but in detail. Maybe I will make a video on how to draw cartoons from real pictures after the second part. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel along with the bell icon to get the notification as soon as I upload any new videos. And if you like this video, hit thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.